Hi, welcome back. This is one of the important tricky interview questions. So how do you determine schedule lines in credit memo or debit memo? So probably it has an extension question. Probably someone might ask, how do you determine schedule lines for text line item also? Okay. So before proceeding for answer, you try to understand this. So this is my Udemy profile. Here I'm holding 3,383 students till today. This is one of the key important course my side, 84 hours, SAP SD sales and distribution in plain English. And if you'd like to know S4 HANA, so it is going to be the upcoming market around 2027 or 2030. SAP might have brought back more technological advancement, but not in ECC. That should be in S4 HANA. Here I covered basic three scenarios. If you are already there in ECC, or else if you are quite new to S4 HANA, you better get into this course. This is common for your MM, SD, and FICO. And if you are not yet introduced to real time, you better get into the course. This is useful for support enhancement and support projects and implementation project actually. This is here I have provided one template to fill in. So if you are from WM, you have a standard configuration. If you are from SD, you have a standard configuration. Here the example I have given 3 examples for standard configuration. You use the same template. You can write it for MM, FSCO, irrespective of any functionality, you can write it. So pricing is one of my key topic. So here I'm providing all these links below of this video. If you would like to learn SAP at advanced level and rebates, all these are the 3 courses, and I have few set of courses. I'm providing these links below of this video. If you would like to get into that, you can get into that. Okay. Now get back to let's get back to the topic. Okay. So why we can able to determine schedule lines for credit memo and debit memo? Certain a time they would like to check your concentration at interview level. Okay, so probably it has a certain answers, so but it should be something tricky actually. So here I'm just sharing my knowledge. It doesn't mean that every interviewer going to ask these kind of questions actually. Okay, one way you can say that this is one kind of, you know, judge your knowledge. So no schedule lines for credit memo, debit memo, and text. You don't have schedule lines. Let's get into the SAP to give a clear explanation. For example, Vivo V7, if you go here, what is the item category for credit memo? GTN. If you look at here, no schedule lines. And let's go to the debit memo. L2N, you don't have schedule lines. Why it is not checked? Why? Because we don't want to deliver anything based on certain quantities and certain dates. This is for to delegate between your customer and company through finance, either plus or minus values in terms of quantity or else price change you would like to settle down to your customer as well as your company. Such a cases we are using. So you remember this. This is tricky. If you are confident enough in standard, okay, you can easily make out like this question is, you know, for you to check, judge your knowledge. Okay, schedule lines not allowed. That's what I wanted to say. If you'd like to see similarly for TATX, okay, you can look at here, no schedule lines. So that's all for today. If you are not subscribed to my Udemy courses, you can get into that. If you would like to enhance your knowledge, thank you so much. Have a great time. More importantly, Jai Hind.